The Calcutta High Court has criticized the Mamata government over the vandalism at Arjikar Hospital. Expressing his displeasure, Chief Justice TS Shivagnanam demanded, apologize to the patients, transfer them to another hospital and close Arjikar Hospital. What actions have you taken since the incident? During the proceedings, West Bengal government lawyer Vikas Ranjan Bhattacharya informed the court that police were present at the scene. However, the court remarked that the police failed to protect even their own personnel, calling it an unfortunate situation. The court questioned how doctors could work without fear and asked what measures had been implemented after the incident. The government lawyer responded that a CBI inquiry had been initiated. The bench, comprising Chief Justice TS Shivagnanam and Justice Hiranmoy Bhattacharya, pointed out that during a previous incident on Hanuman Jayanti, when stones were thrown from a rooftop, the intelligence services had not anticipated it. The state government's lawyer mentioned there was a crowd of about 7,000 people. The number increased suddenly. I have videos showing how the barricades were broken. Tear gas was used and 15 policemen, including the deputy commissioner, were injured. Police vehicles were damaged and emergency room was vandalized, but the main site was secured. Criticizing the state government, the Chief Justice remarked, "It's implausible that 7,000 people arrived unnoticed. How could the police not be aware of such a gathering? Why wasn't Section 144 imposed? And why wasn't there a security cordon?" The Chief Justice further stated the attack on Arjikar Hospital represents a failure of the state machinery. Apologize to the patients, and if the situation cannot be managed, transfer them to another hospital and close this one. The High Court has instructed the police and hospital administration to submit separate affidavits detailing the actual situation and all relevant matters concerning the incident by the next hearing on August 21st. The court emphasized that the police must provide a full account of the events that led to the hospital's vandalism. Senior BJP leader Subramanian Swamy has filed a petition in the Delhi High Court seeking an order directing the Home Ministry to decide on the demand to revoke the Indian citizenship of leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha Rahul Gandhi. The Delhi High Court is set to hear this petition next week. The petition filed by advocate Satya Sabharwal on Swamy's behalf mentions that Swamy had written to the Home Ministry in 2019 stating that Backops Limited was registered in Britain in 2003 and Rahul Gandhi was one of its directors. According to the petition, company's annual tax returns filed on October 10, 2005 and October 31, 2006 indicate that Rahul Gandhi's citizenship was listed as British. Additionally, the petition notes that in the company's application for dissolution on February 17, 2009, Rahul Gandhi's citizenship was again stated as British. This, the petition argues, violates Article 9 of the Constitution and the Indian Citizenship Act. The Delhi High Court has declined to urgently hear SpiceJet's petition seeking a stay on a single bench's order to remove 3 engines from its aircraft and return them to the leasing companies within 15 days. The court has scheduled a hearing for August 20. On Friday, Amit Sibal, representing SpiceJet, requested an immediate hearing before a bench led by Acting Chief Justice Manmohan. Sibal argued that complying with the order to remove the engines would ground 2 aircraft, leading to flight cancellations for which tickets have already been booked, affecting approximately 1,000 passengers daily. However, the court responded that a hearing today was not possible as many judges were on leave and they needed time to review the case files. Consequently, the court set the hearing date for August 20. The case arose after 2 engine leasing companies filed a petition in the High Court claiming that SpiceJet had not paid them $129 million over the past 2 years and continued to use 3 of their engines despite the lease period having expired. On August 14, Justice Manmeet Pritam Singh Arora ordered SpiceJet to remove the engines within 2 days and return them to the companies within 15 days. The hearing on SpiceJet's petition to stay this order will now take place on August 20th. The Bombay High Court has summoned BJP MP and former Union Minister Narayan Rane in response to a petition filed by Shiv Sena Uddhav Thackeray faction leader Vinayak Raut. Raut's petition seeks to have Rane's Lok Sabha election result annulled. The court has directed Rane to submit his response by September 12th, with case being heard by Justice Sarang Kotwal. Raut, who lost the Lok Sabha election from Ratnagiri-Sindhudurg in Maharashtra, claims that Rane won through corrupt and illegal practices. He is requesting the court to invalidate the election result and order a re-election. Raut also stated that the Chief Election Officer of Maharashtra ignored his complaint, prompting him to approach the High Court. The Allahabad High Court has declined to dismiss the criminal case against several individuals from the Muslim community who carried the national flag with Arabic verses written on it. The court expressed concern that such actions could be exploited by those seeking to create communal tensions or deepen misunderstandings between different communities. The High Court refused to quash the proceedings against the 6 Muslim individuals who were accused in the case. According to the FIR, they allegedly carried the tricolour with Arabic inscriptions during a religious procession. Justice Vinod Divakar, while rejecting the petition of Gulamuddin and 5 others, stated that this act appears to insult the national flag and constitutes a violation of Section 2 of the Prevention of Insults to National Honour Act. The court emphasized that the national flag is a symbol of India's unity in diversity, transcending religious, ethnic and cultural differences, and represents the collective identity and sovereignty of the nation. To stay updated the daily proceedings related to the court, watch our special program and share the video.